Being in a power outage is probably the single most boring thing I've ever experienced in my life. I do not do well with power outages. I do not do well with them. I am bored to tears. I am trying to drink this alcohol so I can fucking get so fucking tired that I pass out. That's my goal for tonight. Get tired enough to pass out. Because this fucking no electricity thing, yeah, it's cute. It's cute and all, but I actually didn't want to be in the 1800s. I don't want to live like they used to live. That living was shit. I had to pause to take a sip of this drink. I have this on sepia mode. I gotta put it on regular mode. Oh shit, I lied. It's in black and white mode. What in the fuck was that? What in the fuck am I hearing? What the fuck is that? What in God's name is that sound? Oh, it's a car. Fucking Jesus Christ. Oh, it is fucking windy out there. And snowy. They said it's like a hurricane with snow. So I guess that's a snow-a-cane. Or a hurry-snow. I know. This is... Why am I in black and white? Because I'm in the 1800s, that's why. I'm in the fucking time before electricity, let alone fucking color. Did you know that before they had TV, they also didn't have color? I don't know if you know that. Alright, this is it, man. I gotta put it back on regular mode. Now this is non-special mode. You can see my snap-on candle. This candle only gets taken out in times like these when there is no power. That is a worthless piece of shit called a computer, and it's no good because without electricity it's a piece of shit. I just used this cell phone because I was so bored. I was so bored that I decided to text somebody, and I found out that they don't actually answer me back because they don't want me to text them, probably, and they probably didn't like the fact that I was even thinking to contact them. I was only doing it out of total boredom. I would point the camera over this way, but there's really no light over here. There's really nothing to see over here, so that's why I'm focused so much on this candle, because there's actually something to record. Can I do the zoom while it's doing this? Ooh. Can do a zoom while it's recording it, and it doesn't even make a noise. My old camera, when I zoomed, it would make a noise. I'm pretty impressed by this. Watch this. Watch this. Ooh. 4 times zoom. My old camera had 5 times zoom. This one only has 4 times. Okay, boy, this is really fucking boring, but it would be even more boring if I wasn't making this video. That's how sad things are. I used to have to make a video and narrate it just to not be bored. And I'm still bored. I wish I had a backup plan, but usually my backup plan is just that the power will never go out. That's my backup plan for if the power goes out. It just will never happen. I forget that they aren't smart enough to put all the wires underground. Why have they not put the wires underground yet? I've seen it in certain neighborhoods. Why are the wires not underground? Would that not solve a lot of problems? How hard would it be to dig a fucking tunnel under every single street in the country or in the world? Put the wires underground, we don't have these problems, do we? Do we? Oh, fire will always entertain me. That's it.